Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is safe from COVID-19, from coronavirus, from this pandemic. And I repeat, guys, please wear mask. Please use sanitizer. Please don't touch the surfaces outside. Whenever you go in public, whenever you go outside, please take proper precautionary measures to save yourself, to save your family, to save your loved ones. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for others. Is everyone needs help, everyone needs support, and your support is very important for the society, for our country, for our economy, for our survival. Survival is the most basic thing, and if we are alive, we can see the world, we can do whatever we want. So please, for a healthy life, for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, please take proper precautionary measures. Please wear mask, please use sanitizer regularly. And guys, today I'll be discussing about what is isolation, self-isolation, and what is quarantine. Most of us would be confused about the difference between the quarantine and self-isolation. So isolation is something if a person becomes infected with some contagious disease like coronavirus. If someone becomes infected, he must isolate himself from others, from society, to stop the spread of the disease. And it is already sure that he has got the disease, he has got the infection. And quarantine is something that if a person is suspected that he has got the infection, the contagious disease, he should isolate himself. He should move to isolation for some period of time that, to know if he has actually got the disease or not, or if he has got the disease and is not showing any symptoms. So this is the difference between the आइसोलेशन एंड क्वारंटाइन। आइसोलेशन वो है कि जब एक बंदा इन्फेक्टेड हो जाता है, उसको पता है कि उसको इन्फेक्शन हो गया है, किसी कंटेजियस वो इसको स्प्रेड कर सकता है, तो उसको क्या चाहिए कि वो आइसोलेट हो जाए, खुद को अलहदा कर ले बाकी लोगों से, ताकि बाकी लोगों को बचा सके और वो इन्फेक्टेड ना हो। और क्वारंटाइन वो है लाइक कोई एक्सपोज हुआ है, वाई किसी ऐसी जगह पे गए हैं पब्लिक प्लेस पे, एंड पर्सन इज़ फीलिंग सिक, तो उसको क्या चाहिए कि क्वारंटाइन में चला जाए फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वो आइसोलेशन में रहे, ताकि उसको पता चल सके कि वो वाकई इन्फेक्टेड है या नहीं, वो सिम्टम्स शो करता है या नहीं करता। एंड व्हाट इज़ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग? सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग इज़ समथिंग व्हेन यू गो इन अ क्राउड, व्हेन यू गो टू public places, even when you go to your offices, wherever you go, you must maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from other people to stop the spread of virus. Please everyone, play your role, and your support is so important for the society. As I have seen so many people suffering, so many people dying around, and it really hurts that the people are not taking precautionary measures. I urge